Today, you'll build a correct APA 7 website citation, piece by piece. The skeleton is author, year in parentheses, title in sentence case, then source. Start with the author. Use a last name and initials, or a group name. If none appears, begin with the title. Next comes the date. APA uses parentheses, then a period. If there's no date, write ND inside those parentheses. Titles in APA use sentence case. Capitalize only the first word and proper nouns, and usually italicize the page title. Finally, add the site name or URL as the source. Omit a repeated site name when the author and website match. A full example looks like this: author, date, italicized title, then the website name. Watch the common errors, full first names and title case. APA wants initials and sentence case. If there's no author, start with the title, then the date and source. Gentext formats APA 7 website citations in Word, including punctuation, italics, and reference entries. Gentext formats APA 7 citations automatically in Word, free to try.